And I will check how it feels with my helmet on. Really nice. I don't feel the earplugs, so that's good. Let's go for a ride. It's really nice because it's reducing the wind noise, but I still can hear my bike, so that's really good. I really love them. Really nice. I'm also really curious about if you ride with earplugs. I did a poll on my Instagram and it was almost 50-50. When I was young, I did some hearing tests in the past as work, and many motorcyclists who did not wearing hearing protection, they had a dip in certain numbers of hertz, and I think it was 17,000 hertz or something like that. I found some sounds, so we can do a little test if you like to do it. I'll start with 8,000 hertz. You really need to hear that. If you can't hear it, you're almost deaf, I think. Now we'll do the 12,000 hertz. If you're under 50, then you should be able to hear the beep. Okay, now we'll do the 50,000 hertz. If you're under 30 years old, you have to be able to hear this frequency. And now I will do 80,000 hertz, and anyone under 80 years with normal hearing and people above with really good hearing, they can hear this frequency. Okay, now we'll do 20,000 hertz, and this is the highest range that can be perceived by human hearing. When you can hear this beep, you've got a really good hearing.